think?
Look at it. He's going, I don't know.
Monty likes it up there. That's where he lives.
Tired.
Monty.
Yeah.
That's what we're naming this video.
Yeah. Jonas, look at Jonas doing the thing with his ear. He goes, I don't know about this. Aren't you going to touch his thing? Yeah, it's okay. Here, yeah. Ooh, what is it?
Monty's a good boy.
Yeah, look at
He's
it.
very, very good.
Hold on, let's get Monty's close up.
Yeah.
Hi, Monty.
I almost
Do
threw myself.
you want Monty on
Oh.
your head? He lives on other people's heads, too. He does.
Oh my God, that's great. You're missing it.
You have a lizard on your head.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
Monty sometimes needs a little more hair. Yeah. And there's lots of hair up there, so he likes that a lot.
He's touching his head. Yeah.
I know. Monty was on your head for a minute, but you don't have quite enough hair to grab onto.
Yeah, he's got long eyelashes. All boys do. All
Monty
pretty boys.
I know it's
is
not
a
fair.
mountain spiny lizard.
What do you
Don't
think?
squeeze him, Jonas.
He's just not sure about him. Whoa. He's not scared though, I don't
You
think.
might hurt him.
I might grab him, but he's...
Oh, dear.
Okay, we'll edit that part out.